Okay, so we're just here visiting a one of these wholesale kind of farmers markets, and I'm gonna come in here. We're gonna try to get a live chicken and take a look. Okay, so we're at the entrance here on the outside, and I'm gonna go in now and take a look. I'm gonna make a quick round, and then I'll see if it's actually early afternoon, late mid-afternoon, so there's not a lot of people right now. But they should have live poultry, so I'm just going to make a quick round and take a look. Alright, so see, it's not really crowded right now. People don't usually buy stuff at 3 in the afternoon, so you're not going to see a lot of people right now. Most of the time they buy things around 10 in the morning and maybe around 4:30 or 5 o'clock. So we're just going to make a quick round here. So you notice a lot of these places are still kind of taking a break for the afternoon. So you're not going to see many people out here selling stuff. They usually take a break until probably 4:35. So if you notice here, they have a lot of WeChat Pay, which is kind of like, you don't really, it's cashless payment. So you really, all you do is scan the phone, and you scan your phone and it's all digital. So there's really very little cash payment going on. Yeah. They don't really use credit cards in mainland China, very little. So the concept of credit is not really prevalent, and it's just, there's the cash payment. So basically you have money in your account. They don't have really checking account here. There's no checks here, so it's just a savings account, a very low interest savings account. Any interest at all, so that's just an account. And we'll usually just deduct the payments, whatever, it's 50 yen or whatever, we'll just deduct the money from the account. So that's why you see all these signs here. It's kind of like the WeChat payment signs. Little scan, those little QR codes they have. That's how you can make the cashless payments. So obviously, there's a group of old people that still usually deal with cash, and that really depends. Yeah, really depends. So these are really what one of these payment QR codes look like. I'll go to another one and take a look. So they got that, almost every vendor has a QR code payment. So you'll notice that payment there, that kind of goes QR code. There you are. You notice that? Okay.
Wow.
Okay, so we're going to keep making a quick round. We'll see if the live poultry is available. Alright. Practically every vendor has that QR code, and I'll just stop here and I'll make another quick so what's you'll notice is there's two QR codes. One is for that Alipay, and the other one is for the WeChat Pay. And they're basically just apps like Google Pay or something, or Apple, or kind of just cashless payment. This is live fish here. You'll notice here they got live fish. Alright. And that's basically every vendor has it. So they can simply choose between whatever, Alipay or the WeChat Pay. Alright, we're going to take a look if we have live poultry. Okay, so the live poultry looks like it's open. Alright, so you notice there's live poultry, chickens, Alright. And you notice here, alright, we're gonna make a quick circle. Right, so those live chickens here. Alright. And we're gonna make a quick turn around. There you are, see that? And so we're gonna buy a live chicken right now. Right. Yeah. So you notice she grabs one of the chickens and grabs it by the head, and then the chicken's gonna be choosing a chicken now. So this is probably a rooster or yeah. Yeah. And so she puts it inside. There's a kind of like a one of those I don't know what it is, a kind of canister kind of thing. Will detar the chicken, defeather the chicken.
I'm looking.
You want to take a look?
Yeah, I want to take a look.
Let's see what she does to it.
Mommy, 帮我一下，妈咪，你帮我一下。这不咋对呢。
Alright, so let's just try to get a little bit closer here. So you'll notice inside there that she detars the chicken, and this is the chicken here, the live poultry here. In my opinion, it's a little unsanitary, but yeah. Let's try to get it a little bit closer. Okay, I can't really see inside it, so let's see what I can do. Yeah.